had dinner and now I'm gonna make my lemon ginger tonic. Because I've had this hunkin' bad boy and I was just missing the lemons and now I finally have it. I'm going to make it now. What you need is lemon and ginger. All right, now you add your grated ginger and some water and heat it up on the stove. Let's try 2 cups. I did 3 cups of water, which is just a random measurement, by the way. And then my ginger, bring this to a boil. Boil it for like 30 seconds and then turn it off and then let that cool for about 45 minutes maybe. Just like leave it in the pot. I just leave it in the pot. This is what I like to keep my tonic in, and so I can drink it at night or in the morning. Now let's get the lemons. I'm gonna use 2 lemons and a lime because we have 1 lime left over that needs to be used. I'm gonna cut up the citrus and squeeze it into here. Right here, now it's boiling. Now I just turn it off and let it cool down, and then we can add it to here. So I'll let that cool down, then I'll come back and strain it all out. Alrighty, time to pour this bad daddy in here. So I'm gonna strain it out. Ease it up. And there is my lemon ginger tonic. Amazing. But tonight, instead of the tonic, we're gonna have some rainbow cake. This is the bakery, Ferrera. And I'm gonna finish this because I love it. This is my treat tonight. I had a hard day. And this is my dessert. It's like a reward. Good night. All right, so I'm going to go get my hair done finally. It's been forever. My hair is really dark on the top and going orangey at the bottom. So I do want to keep a lot of my brown. I just want it to be like more faded in better, you know? So here's the before. Not so great. I will show you the after. I'm also gonna get a trim. So here she is. For wear. I had a rough day yesterday. So I spent all day, 7 hours at the salon getting my hair done, and I came home and I hate it. I hate it more than anything. And I know it's first world problems, but my hair is really a big identity piece of mine, and like when I look in the mirror I equate certain things to like how I, you know, picture myself. So I look in the mirror and I'm like, oh my god, I don't feel like myself, I don't look like myself. They did like a highlight and then they did like a root shadow with this dark gloss and they brushed it through my whole head, and so my whole hair turned like brown, and now I'm like a gray brown brunette, and I hate it, and I'm really upset. So I called back. They can't get me until Monday, and I know this is like totally first world problems, but like I just like can't deal, like I can't look at myself. I hate it. And I'm trying not to obsess over it, but it's like hard. So yeah, that was difficult. I spent 7 hours of my day. I had like the worst day too. Like I just didn't want to be there, and then I hate my hair, and I spent $500. So yeah, pretty tough. I'll show you what it looks like, but it's like, it's not looking as bad right now. But it's very, very brown. Do you see how brown it is? Hopefully once they take the like gloss out, it will look better, but I hate it. So yeah, and that was that. And now today is Friday. I just worked all morning. Brooks is eating his breakfast, and we'll see what we get up to this weekend, but this brunette is gonna get on the town. We got dinner from 1-2 Thai again, our fave. I got chicken pad thai, and their spring rolls are amazing. Bon appetit. What do you think? It looks like it would be her baby clothes, but it's all dog. That girl. Really? Oh my god, there's cats here. Look at all this bee. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, headed back to the hair salon, take 2. It doesn't look terrible now, but if you can see, there's like a green, gray, brown tint, whereas like, it's not how it used to look. I literally have a picture the day before, and like, look at the difference in color. Like, that was my hair the day before, and then this was my hair after. Like, it's so dark. Look at how unhappy. Do you see that? Versus this. So yeah, we're gonna go back. Hopefully it doesn't take 7 hours again, and hopefully it comes out good. I really feel like I didn't want to like talk about it or whatever, but because I really feel like a brat, and like, it's hard to explain, but I feel like my hair is the biggest part of my identity when I look in the mirror, because it's like so big and just like right on your face, and like, if you don't like recognize yourself, I've always been like this. Like, even if I like the haircut, whenever I leave from the hair salon, I end up like crying because like I can't take the change, and like I don't know what to do with myself. So plus it's really hard to like dye your hair blonde. It takes a lot of time, and like, having dyed my hair blonde for a while and then like all of a sudden it's brown, I like freaked out and feel like, oh, I won't get to that point before, because the day before I went to the salon, I loved how my hair was looking. It was just that the top was so dark, so I needed to like, I wanted to blend it better. But regardless, I have been upset with myself because I didn't realize how much this would like affect me. I haven't been upset about this, something like this in forever. Like, who knew? Like, I guess I learned something about myself, that like, I don't want my hair touched because it really affects me. this is what I see myself as, and when I look in the mirror and I look different, I feel like not good about myself. So regardless, and plus like, and it just goes to say, like, I get my hair done like maybe once a year. I let it grow out so much because it is so expensive in the city. Like, I found a good place, but it was still on the cheaper side. In no means the most expensive place, and it cost me, I paid $500, and I was so unhappy. So like, if you're paying that much money to get something done, and I just think, like, if you get your nails done, you don't like it. If you get your hair done, you don't like it. If you're paying for something and you don't like it, if you don't like your food, like, I never send food back. Like, if I hate my hair, I hate my nails, I never say anything. But like, this time I said I loved it. I went home and I cried for 3 days. So like, I'm going back and hopefully it'll be okay. But speak up for yourself, especially if you're paying for these things. Like, you paid for it, it's fine, it's nothing personal. And yeah, if you don't like it, please, like, just speak up. So I had to have, you know, many people in my life pep talk me into going back and trying to get what I want, and that's what I'm doing today. I'm nervous about it. I've been like anxious for 3 days, just feeling like I can't even go in there and be like, I don't like it. Like, me being like, I have to go in there and say I don't like it has given me so much anxiety, which is just like not okay. Like, whatever. So, crossing my fingers. Here's the before, and I'll show you the after. Guys, oh, I did my nails last night too. Look how cute. See, this is why I do my own nails. I tried to do my own hair this summer and it turned out horribly because I think I just have like this control like issue with things on my body. I'm not good with change in the way that like I look. So that's why I did my own nails, but I can't color my own hair because I tried once, it came out horribly. Okay. Wish me luck. Okay, I never updated you guys, but my hair, can we talk about it? I freaking love it. It's much more natural at the top, blended in. I got quite short curtain bangs, which I really like. Very blonde. I'm obsessed with it. So, that's it.